behind the register listening to this, W. Yeah, this week really good. Okay, so I'm just gonna talk to you guys a little bit about like I guess like the psychology part of things, and like how this week has been, and just kind of like provide some extra motivation. Um, so you guys have to understand, right? With when it comes to like trading and with capital and everything involved with trading, the losses are gonna come, right? Like they're always gonna be there with like trading. Like you're not gonna be able to win every single day uh of the week forever, right? I was on like I think like a month winning streak in December and January, like 30 days straight, like 30 green days until I wasn't. And then that's when I had like that one like couple day lapse of just like blowing accounts. And then I finally got back to it. But understanding when the losing days are going to come is going to be what's going to benefit you guys, right? So like example, like today and yesterday, right? Like my daily bias, everything like that I sent before market to all the students was spot on to a tick, to a T, everything. Unfortunately though, the entries and the executions were not. Hence why we got cooked, right? And it happens. And like for those of you that were in the live earlier, all the students and stuff like that, um, you guys saw me just log off, right? Like 15 minutes in the market open, I lost my trade and I was off. I'm like, cool. We lost a couple trades. There's nothing else for me. At this point, it's unprobable price action. I do not want to be on the markets anymore because why risk more, losing more capital if you understand that it is going to be low probability. So if you're once you finally like are able to understand that, like with trading, like it gets 10 times better. And like being able to get over the psychological hump is the most important thing, right? Because you could be the best like analytical trader, you could be the best like bar for bar model entry, all the above trader, and have a psychological error, and then that's what screws you. Uh, Being able to have that psychological edge is what's going to take you to the next level, right? Being able to deal with losses and handle with losses, that is what's going to be able to take you to the next level. Because as of now, like most of you like are struggling, right? And I'm gonna be completely blunt with you guys because I love every single one of you guys and I seriously care for every single one of you guys, right? So when it comes to fundeds and evals, right? There's two different phases. Obviously, like the eval portion of things. When it comes to the eval, I do not mind you trading minis, right? And for those of you in here, I'm like I said, I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything. I'm gonna be completely transparent with you guys. But when it comes to trading evals, it is completely fine to trade minis, 1 to 2 minis, maybe even 3 minis, depending on how your eval trading is. Um, and how quickly you want to pass it. Me personally, I full port evals. It's like a one or done for me. Because like the longer I'm not on evals, the more money I'm losing. But when it comes to XFAs, right? I see new people to trading minis, and it it rubs me the wrong way because I spent 7 or 8 months trading micros. Like there was points in my trading career where I was scared to lose $50 in the trade when I was on the XFA. And it gets to a point where I want to have this talk with you guys. Um, for those of you that are in here, because like if you guys genuinely like want to be better, then I really hope you guys like listen to what I'm about to say. But for those of you that have not proven that you're consistent with payouts and consistently profitable and consistently executing, consistently proving to yourself that your psychology is A plus, you should not be trading a mini. You should not be trading a mini. You shouldn't even be trading more than 8 micros. Like anywhere between like 3 to 7 micros is like the perfect range for beginners, right? And and I'm talking about this why? Because we have so many people blowing accounts the past 2 days and this week in general because it's been like tough price action, right? Like the price action hasn't been the cleanest. There's still been delivery, but it hasn't been the cleanest. And I'm here to finally like draw the line and just be completely blunt and straightforward with you guys. And like if you guys are trading minis and you are new to trading, like you're cooked. Like you're generally you're cooked, you're fried. Um because you're worried about the money, right? Like the only reason that you're trading minis as a beginner is because you want to make money. And obviously, like, yes, like money is a big part of trading, but when it comes to executions to be the only thing that matters when you first start trading. That's it. Like there was a 4 month period when I first started trading when I didn't even have anything show. I didn't have a single dollar amount show on my computer. Everything was blocked out. I changed like the dollar amount to ticks. I didn't care about the money. All I cared about was executions, green or red. I had a stop loss. I had to take profit. It either hit my stop loss and hit my take profit. I didn't care how much money I was up or down. I cared about the trade execution, right? I didn't care about the money. I was more worried about, is my trade working? Is my model working? Was my bias right? Was my pre-market analysis right? That is all I cared about. I did not care about the money. And if you guys are able to flip your mindset early enough and not spend 5 months blowing accounts and wasting money, then you have the edge, right? You're going to be great. But I need to tell you guys this. Like, I understand some of you want to make money, right? But all you're doing is slowing down your progress if you're just trading minis, like 1 to 2. Like you're cooked. You're literally cooking yourself. And I'm just being transparent. You don't have to listen to my advice. You can keep going. You can keep going trading 1 to 2 minis and continue to blow accounts. Maybe get like one big payout if you get like a lucky trade or something like that. And maybe you're up like 4K one day, and maybe you like just go for 150 days. But like, are you able to do that consistently? That is what matters, right? So my recommendation to everybody is prove to yourself that you're profitable before you even consider trading more than 8 micros. 3 to 7 micros is the perfect range to be trading your XFAs if you are not consistently profitable. I did not start trading minis until December of this past year. And that was like my 8 month mark was December. So if it took me 8 months to start trading minis, I know people that are 5 to 10 days into trading that are trading minis. I know people that are a couple months into trading 1 to 2 minis. I'm not taking shots at you guys. If you guys are cooking, like, congrats. But this is my advice to you on how to control your progress and how to like not speed up your progress, but like make sure you are getting the most out of every single day. Is like, do not trade minis. Do not over leverage. First of all, you don't have the funds to be able to continue blowing accounts unless you're rich, unless you have some crazy, like, I don't know, like your grandpa passed away and he's like a gazillionaire. But if you don't have that, then like you're just wasting money. So like my advice to you guys, a couple of things. Again, you do not have to listen to me. One, completely get rid of the money portion of trading. Completely get rid of it. And if that means Xing out of like closing out of your balance, making everything private so you can't see anything, changing the dollar amount to ticks, then do that. And also stop trading minis if you're not on an eval. If you're on an XFA, you should not be trading minis. Again, take my advice or not, but this is my advice to be able to handle these days. Because think about it, if you're trading anywhere between 3 to 7 micros today, you don't blow your accounts. Like you're losing probably $50 to $100, maybe $200 every single trade, not $1,000 to $1,500, right? So again, take my advice or don't. I just wanted to speak on this because this is like these past couple of days, a lot of blown accounts have occurred. Again, take my advice or don't, but this is just what I want. I just had to get this off my chest. I genuinely just wanted to get this off my chest because I want to help you guys. I genuinely care about you guys. And I'm here to help. Like, free section, that's why I'm doing this in the free section as well. I saw a lot of you guys were struggling, so I want to help you guys out as well. But like, please, like, this is how you're able to, I guess, handle the losses on bad days and unprobable days. But if you guys have any questions, just feel free to DM me. This is kind of all I have for you guys. But yeah, if you guys just need anything, always